7 reasons to start trading on the Forex currency market. If you have time or money, there are lots of ways to earn additional income, like from active involvement in multi-level marketing, website development, property investment, residential construction, security, etc. Trading in Forex, foreign exchange, is also another way of making that extra income. In the Forex currency market, you have the flexibility of trading from any location, home, hotel, etc., and at any time, as long as you have a laptop and internet connection for your portable computer. There are no specific requirements or experience necessary in this particular online income-generating trading business. Just by attending a Forex training course should be adequate enough for you to commence trading in Forex. Why trade in Forex? Below are 7 reasons why people should trade in Forex. 1. Forex trading offers monetary leverage, meaning that you can trade with a low capital outlay to control a large currency position. You can trade a standard of 100,000 currency lot by investing with a small capital of only 1,000. However, some Forex brokerage firms permit even less than that by giving you up to 200 times the leverage. That is, with only 100 capital outlay you can control a 200,000 unit currency position. 2. Online Forex trading has low transaction charges, even though if you have a mini account or trade in small volumes. 3. Forex market transparency is an advantage since there are no hidden figures. You get what you see, and thus there is no unexpected surprise. Therefore, it enables you to manage your risk, and you can execute your order within seconds if you want to stop further losses in a particular trade. 4. You can trade by buying or selling in the Forex market in either direction, i.e. when it is going up or down. 5. Flexible time is one of the advantages of Forex trading. The Forex market never shuts, as it is an incessant electronic currency exchange taking place globally. Since it is worldwide, involving in a diversity of currencies of various nations that float their currencies in the world Forex market, it operates 24 hours daily, allowing you to enter or exit a trade whenever you like. In this regards, you can trade whenever you have free time and as long as there is an internet available anywhere. 6. As you accumulate your personal experience, you can earn you extra income by profiting from this sort of online trading in foreign currency. If you trade smartly with the use of technical analyzing tools, you can profit from a trade by predicting the outcome of a trade based on observing the changing trend of a currency, which normally repeatedly shows up in predictable cycles. 7. There is unlimited earning potential when you participate in Forex trading, for it has a daily trading volume in excess of 1.5 trillion. That makes it the largest financial market worldwide when compared with the equity and futures markets of 50 billion and 30 billion respectively. Best place to learn technical analysis training, fundamental analysis training, options trading, Forex trading, commodities trading, stock market training at NCFM Academy Hyderabad.in. Visit NCFM Academy Hyderabad, number 406, Annapurna Block, Aditya Enclave, near Maitravanam, Amirpet, Hyderabad, India. Call +91 7702486328, landline +9140 48560292.